Ready? Let's go.
Miss Beshi, happy birthday. Ang masabi ko lang, ingat ka palagi at stay healthy. Yun lang, Miss Beshi, enjoy your day and God bless. And again, happy birthday.
Hi, Miss PJ. Happy birthday. This is your chikadorang friend, every midnight. One and only, Aster Baby. So, ang wish ko lang is sana puno ng love, blessings, and laughter ang special day mo. See you soon. Bye.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na. Naiya pa si Gunggong. Ayan, happy birthday, Miss PJ. Stay mabait lang. Then, thank you sa pagpasok sa akin sa farm. Hindi ako nagsisi kasi ang babait nilang lahat. So, ayun lang po. Nahihiyo ako.
Hi, Miss PJ. Good afternoon. Happy 27th birthday today. Ayan. Mima ko, another year of your incredible journey and I feel privileged to be part of it. You are an exceptional person with so many talents, style, and strengths and qualities that I admire and cherish. On this day, which is your special day, and I want to remind you how much you mean to me. Ayan, so you light up my life with your infectious laughter, your caring heart, and your unwavering support. You make me a better person in every way, rather. And I'm grateful for every moment we spent together. As you Miss P, turn 27, I hope you will continue to pursue your dreams and passions with courage and determinations. You have so much potential, and I know that you will achieve great things in life, and I will be there for you every step of the way, cheering you on and celebrating your success. I wish you will filled with love, joy, and happiness. May all your wishes come true, and may this year be happy. Ayan. Happy birthday again, Miss PJ.
Happy birthday. More blessings to come. And marami ka pa sanang ma-achieve na goal and blessing sa buhay mo. And yun nga, Mima PJ, happy birthday sa lungkot, ligaya, sa tsikahan, kachismosahan. Ayan, nandito lang kami ng pamilya, and lalong-lalo na rin ako. Ayan, maraming salamat sa tulong, sa gabay, sa payo, sa pagmamahal. And yun nga, more birthday to come and blow. Ayan, blow, ganyan. Na marami ka pang birthday na may celebrate. And yun nga, wish ko lang is sana yung wish mo is sana matupad na. And yun nga, ikakasal ka na soon. Ayan, kahit kami kakanta rin kami ni Miss Sammy. Ayan, eme basta yun nga, laging mag-ingat and good vibes. Happy birthday. Love you. This is me, your hottest and beloved choose admin, Miss Jopay.
Okay, yan. So, before anything else, gusto lang kita batiin ng happy birthday. Yan. So, enjoy your birthday today. And then, ako, ang wish ko lang is ma-achieve mo yung dreams mo in life. More blessings. And yung maging healthy ka always. Kasi yun naman yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung pagiging healthy in life. And then yun, thank you so much sa lahat ng effort na binibigay mo sa pamilya, yan sa amin, yan. Thank you so much. And then yun, enjoy your birthday. Hindi ko napapabayan to. Enjoy your birthday, yan. Tagay na yan, joke lang. And then yun lang, happy birthday Miss PJ, big salute sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate PJ! Happy birthday! It's me, Rin! So, first of all, gusto ko lang magsabi na thank you. Kasi nga, dahil sa'yo, nakilala ko ang fam, which is the Familia. Thank you for welcoming me. Thank you for being the best, very approachable, and very caring. I hope na i-blessed ka pa ni Lord kasi nga, you are so very generous, kind, and lahat na, of course, maganda, leader ng sindikato. Charot. So, I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo at always remember that I'm always here for you and the fam will always be here for you. So, I love you and see you soon, Ate PJ. Sana. Mwah.
Hi, Miss PJ! Happy birthday! Again. Happy birthday, Miss PJ! Sa pinaka-sexy, pinaka-masarap na admin ng pamilya. So, ang wish ko lang, syempre good health, of course, dahil night shift ka, and talaga ang sarili mo lagi. So, sa mga pupuntahan mo, kasama yung partner mo, ingatan niyo yung sarili niyo dahil hindi na tayo kabata, alam mo yan. So bida-bida lang ako sa paiba-iba ng filter, may chicken pa dito, handa mo yan. So yun lang naman, sana i-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon, and happy birthday, I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ma'am PJ. Ilang taon ka na nga? 72. Uy, napakatanda mo na. Happy birthday, Ma'am PJ. Sana laging healthy ka. Maayos ang pangangatawan mo.
So, ayun na nga, first time ko pang gawin eh. So, happy birthday, Miss PG. I wish you the very best, all the joy you can ever have, and may you be blessed abundantly today, tomorrow, the days to come. May you have a fantastic birthday and many more to come. Happy birthday, Miss PG. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Yung words ko sa iyo, huwag mong sabihin sa kanila. Dahil sa iyo ko lang yun sinabi at pasensya na po kung maiyakin ako. Dahil ako lang po talaga yung madali kong mapagsasabihan ng mga problema ko. So ayun, happy birthday Miss PG. Mahal kita, mahal ka namin. I'm thankful ako na nakilala kita at yun lang. Happy
birthday, Miss PJ. Sa leader po ng mga kawatan dyan. Ayun. So, happy birthday, Miss PJ. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and more blessings to come po. And, ang daming end. And, nagpapasalamat po ako dahil, kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ko po nakilala ang fam ko dito sa weekday. Yung napaka-wonderful and napaka-bait, supportive, and laging andyan na family ko dito po sa weekday. Thank you po and happy birthday po ulit!
Hello sa inyong lahat. So, ayun, gusto ko lang mag-greet kay Miss PJ. Mina, happy birthday sa'yo. Sorry kung may pa-ribbon ako. Ay, ribbon. May pa-flower ako dito. Kakauwi ko lang, hinabol ko lang. Time check is already 7:02 p.m. And may pinuntahan ako. Sorry, Miss Sammy, narito ako sa pag-edit mo. So, ayun, going back, happy birthday sa aming pinakamayaman na admin, Miss PJ. I love you, Miss. Stay healthy and stay, alam mo yun, yung energy mo, yung vibes mo na yung binibigay sa amin. Sana ganun pa rin yan hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. So, I love you, Miss. So, see you soon. And soon, November or next year. See you soon. Okay. Happy birthday.